2010 GMC Yukon. After a quick and simple fix, now the oil pressure is up to about 35 psi, and this is the mileage of the vehicle. Before the fix the problem, oil pressure almost dropped down to zero when engine running at idling, and sometimes it down to zero and the vehicle want the driver to shut off the vehicle. In this video, I would like to share with you guys what is a quick and simple fix that you can do it yourself. Hey guys, welcome. This is 2010 GMC Yukon 6.2 under the hood, and customer complaint is engine have low oil pressure, and it tell the customer shut off the engine. And you see the check engine light on there. I will tell you what I done to fix the problem later. So okay, let's show you. I got a little bit hard to see. I got a code 300 there, random misfire, and the code for the oil pressure switch sensor performance. Yeah, because the oil pressure low and with the code in the system. So first thing, we're going to replace the sensor, oil pressure sensor, and a little filter underneath, and we put in the OEM sensor in there, but the oil pressure doesn't change. It's still low, still reading low. And the next step we're going to do is we're going to flush the engine with this 5-minute flush. So run the engine to operating temperature and put this engine flush in for and running at around 2000 RPM for like 5 minutes, and drain the oil. And we put a thicker oil in there. On this vehicle is recommend 530 synthetic or regular, or in the manual they did say 530 or 1030. And with this high mileage and got low oil pressure like this, so we put in 1030 and with a bottle of Lucas. Yeah, and a new oil pressure switch. Flush the engine first and put this new oil in. And you guys can see, I showed you earlier at the beginning of this video. Yeah, the oil pressure is up now to the spec. And now I'm going for a test drive, get the engine up to operating temperature and see if the oil pressure it still remain in the spec when the engine warm up. And now I'm going to clear the code. I'm going for a test drive. The oil pressure getting up there within spec. Okay, now I just drove 8 kilometers, and right now I'm running at idling and engine at normal operating temperature. And you guys can see now the oil pressure dropped a little bit, but not much. Yeah, still in the range, still in the spec. And when I rev up, the oil pressure going up. And when I'm on the way here at 80 kilometers an hour, the oil pressure is staying at 40, so within the spec. And this after I switch off for 30 minutes. Temperature is still about the same, just a little bit low, but the oil pressure is going up a little bit higher. Yeah, so I would say it worked. flush out the engine with this mileage. That's what we expect. And after I drove about 16 kilometers and going to scan it again, so I got like 3-4 key cycle, no code. The misfire code and the oil pressure sensor performance code did not return, so customer have to drive more and see. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If your vehicle have the similar problem, low oil pressure, so you can flush out the engine first before you going to replace the oil pressure switch, because that require more labor and a special tool. Yeah, flush it out the engine first, see if it work. If not, you can replace the sensor after. In this case, I'm going to replace the sensor first because I have the code, and you can see the oil pressure is still low, so I have to flush out the engine. Yeah, I hope this video helped. If you find this one helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Have a great day.